Hi, my name is Karina. My team members' names is Claudia and Steven. For Project 1 in numerical methods, we were to develop a GUI that finds the steady state concentrations in a system of complete mixed reactors. So here we have the equation, which in steady state, the left side becomes 0, and we have Qin times Cn equals Q out times C minus Vk times the concentration. So at the bottom, we have the example that we based our work on. Even though our GUI does run any data in any number of reactors, this example we used in order to make sure that our GUI was working properly as we developed it. So here's our GUI. Before I run it, I like to just go down and explain a little bit about the coding in the GUI. So for the push button 1, where it selects the file name, we made it so that the user can upload any Excel file, and it doesn't have to be in the same folder. It grabs the data, and we call it D. So the data from the Excel file is D, and here we have the coding for matrix A. So here we have matrix A empty, and we populate it using these codes, and these codes were developed from the equation that I explained earlier. Our C matrices are given concentration values, and we also have a matrix for that. And using the Gauss-Seidel method and Kramer's rule, we're able to create our answer matrix, which we have it labeled as B. So if the determinant of A is 0, then we use Gauss-Seidel, and if it's not, then we use Kramer's rule. And that creates our B matrix. Next, we created we created code that will tell us if it's a steady state or if it's not steady state, because it will not work for a non-steady state. And here's the code for that. We also did a bar plot, and this bar plot is colored. It has a color gradient, and it's from the largest value of concentration being the most intensified color to the lightest shade being the least value for the concentration. We attempted to do a diagram that will illustrate how the tanks are connected, but we were not able to complete that task. But we do have some work done, and here it shows. So we will run the GUI. So we select the file, calculate, and here we go. So our example is at steady state. Here are our concentrations for each tank, tank 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is our data. And this is our bar plot. The highest concentration is in tank 1, and it's decreasing. And our concentration flows visual is not in service because it needs further work. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.